Ija wa meke ke wa lagboto iya ma ke gbe oko mi gbogbo to o pe ni yi go me mula we bo pa fa ija wa meke ke le.
Hey, way, my people. Hey, wonder shall never end. Oh, this lady don't cry, come out. About waiting, Anyother with Anyother they do. My people now know say, hey, some family, e get as e be oh. According to this woman, she carry her husband come 2 times for flight. We never just know the actual thing wey be say happen oh, but she talk and reach say. Now she carry her husband come 2 times, okay? Come abroad. Now abroad now she dey say she dey France. Say Anyother for omage gbe ohiyen. We never know the egbe normal ohwe. We never understand because she just do short video, which I go put for una more na listing. I dey tell una say if una get Anyother way good, hold am well, tight am. If you got a Anyother way good, hold them well because no be everybody na it be like you. E just still be like the one wey we just dey talk now for German first lady and Anyother. You no understand? So no good though. So they go do like say them be innocent. Na dem good pass. Whereas they no good. If they see something wey wan take buy you comot for that family, they go do am. So now she come cry, come and say she no know wetin come dey happen oh, and make dem no go put am for the pre. Una understand? Una go hear am for her mouth just now. Maybe as you say, social media made them come to a rescue. So maybe some people go still get her number wey be say dem go contact her, really ask am wetin really happen. Wanna listen to her video, my people.
Wa domo o itu pe to ko eni mo esta wala wo mo no ri me life me video na no gun me ga eni mo esta e Paris je o ija wa meke ke wa lagboto iya ma ke gbe oko mi gbogbo to o pe ni yi go me mula we bo pa fa ija wa meke ke obi omo me na lagboti yan ma ke gbe oko me o iya ma ke gbe oko me o be social media wa bu mere ibe social media wa la o wa bu mere o iya ye depression ya pe mu o iya ye depression ya pe mu o ibe social media wa la wa bu mere wala wo wa e be ye ni se na iya wa me ma lagboto iya ma ke gbe oko me o iya ma ke gbe oko me ba se ma ke gbe oko me ba so no me la video no la wo no gun me ga wala wo wala ho ibe social media wa ke be ku iti ku wala wo wa bu mere we ni se na wa bu mere wa do me fa obi ya wa me ke bo ya bo me lagboto o wa do me fa mo bo o ima me ni wi ya o egbe ma ko me mo piyan o ya so me pe ko ibe social media ka wa ri ase wala wo wa come to my rescue wala wo wa do rescue me mo piyan na o wala wo yo so no bo ya yin mi gwa yo to no do ya yin mi gwa nu wala wo wa do me fa obi ya wa me ke wala gbot o bi na lagbote lo ko nu wala ima me ni yin ma ya kamari yan ki o awon no me live video na wala wo wa ku me ga no so bi social media bo ni ado rescue me obi ya wa me ke obo bi na lagbote lo ko wala wo iti kwese ibe social media wa bu mere o we to wa social media wa ya gwa ba to le bo wa ya gwa gbon to le bo si nu wa ya ri abo yin depression re ija wa me ma lagbo bi na lagbote yan mu me depression o iya mu me depression grandmother ikin o iya yan mu me depression no ma kan me o iya mu me depression no ma kan me o iya wa me bi na lagbote no ko yan mu me depression yan get me depression no kan me o wo bu mere o iya social media wa bu mere wala agwogwo wa bu mere wala agwogwo iti kwese ipa ti kweyin mi wa mo no me video na no gun me ga video na wa gun me ga no so bo pe social media no so bo ko social media ni abu mere ni ado mere fa le ni je na o ge me ga ire ku ne pa abe to aka wala to aka ke go yipa go na ya mo yo to wala agwogwo je no pe ikin o kra mo ta hin o nu wala agwogwo wa come to my rescue be social media ọmọ no ri be video na wa gun me ga ija ko me ma lagboto obi na lagboto e ma ke gbe oko me o iwo ma me o ime mi ni wo ma iri o ma kari o ma gwagwa o pe ni mu le we gba fo ke la kwa o to mu e la dukun mu e la fe ija ko me ma obi na lagboto do ko ye ma ke gbe oko me ma gun me won me di pe o to o wala gbogbo depression is real wa bu mere le social media nu wala gbogbo wa bu mere wala gbogbo yo so po ya yin mi gwa wa bu mere o omo no life video no wala wa ku me ga video na Wagumega e wala wo wa se Facebook wagumega video no so be social media bo. Wala wo do rescue me wo pe iya wo be ke wo bia mo me ne ke alagboto ri se. Alagboto wa do rescue me wo boy o. Depression is real o. O ki me gba kian na wa bumere. O ka me gbere be careful wa bumere o. Wa bumere o wala wo be social media wa ke be bi gwe. Wa bumere iki ya wo kan 47 years ki ya pa na grandmother iki. Iya yamu me depression no ma come o yan kebe mi na come o. Iya kebe mi na come o wala wo ko. Wa bumere o ye social media wala ho mo no life it wala wa kumega e. Wa kumega ni ya bumere ya do me fan. Eya ga igbe mu ane pa depression ga igbo kian mu ane pa do agwe na do akun go na haya mu ari ogwa. O we no ma yesu nu na wa bumere wala wo ko. Wala ye so po ya yin mi gwa. Awon no me video na wa kumega pa na me video ko no me video wa kumega e. Wala wo wagumega no so be social media pa o. Wala wo go yes no pa ya himi kwa. Iju nwera me je me ya himi kwa o. Iju nwe me ya himi kwa wagumega video iju nwe je me ya fefe ya himi kwa wagumega video na. No wala wo go wagumega na video. Wala ho. Wagumega no so be social media. Wala ni come to my rescue wala wo go. O kin wa je no wa ige me ri mo se gbegi love. Ikine gbari gbo mi no pu o. Wala wo go. Wa pu mere. Voila.
My people, that one at the video, I just pray make peace reign with them, because before person go come cry, come out like this, come say, more kuna see your hair, you know, say, the tea don dey hot am for inside body, she not fit again. She need to like find somebody wey be say e go help am out. I believe say some people go know am for social media and they go try to contact am and ask am wetin really dey go on, because we no really know wetin dey go on. She not talk am for here. She just say make dem come help am out, say Anyother with Otionda for na wow, some Anyother make una still dey. I no understand, una don still do una own now. Make una dey go, make una leave people alone, make dem dey okay. If dem dey okay, then they happy. Which one come be una own again? Some Anyother dem dey destroy marriage o. No be lie, no be all Anyother good. No be Amomoya na still good. We know, but some of them una still dey leave marriage alone, because marriage na something wey be say nowadays e no dey like last. If you see the one wey still dey okay, of nyabe sukunyabani, wa be asking ya make dem still dey do their thing. They get their life to live. Like this woman now wey cry come out now, she not be small pikin again. Person wey be say don still get grandchildren. Wetin dey go on? Wetin go happen? Person wey 2 times carry person come abroad. Na my mind. You no see men for here before I go say I must carry you come. You must come join me for here. Why you dey get gbe ohiyan? Wetin dey happen? I be just dey so. Abeg, mona help me share this video. Bye bye for now. Mona change una way. I be just done.